This is Kiran Idbaganti from Agile by Automation channel. Today, the topic that I'm going to bring on are trends that is currently happening in the market. Before getting into a detailed videos on the given topic, I would like to give uh, my channel introduction so that whoever is have not navigate this channel earlier can get a quick view about me as well as my channel. This is Kiran Idbaganti. I'm with nearly about 2 decades of experience in the information technology, especially into uh, software testing, automation, and management, and all QA, the practices implementation that I have uh, sound experience. So with this is right time for me to share my experience, knowledge, and my workouts, so that it will be useful when I'm moving forward professionally as well as my personal interest. So keeping that in view, I've started this particular channel a few months back, and which serves basically publishing the stories, articles in the uh, social media platform, prominently in the medium blogging and through LinkedIn articles and YouTube's. I'm sharing the short video sessions via YouTube platform. Okay. With that being said, let me give a quick intro on my channel objectives so that you can connect to me while we are on the subsequent videos. Okay. Basically, I've started this particular channel with the name Pace Talks. It's a headline just I'm tracking for my each session as well as my story or my articles, so that you can recognize me by this name. And first objective that I have is tools, solutions, and technologies. So this is where that I'm coming up with the new things that are happening in the market specific to the open source or commercial tools, because there are specific areas that I'm continuously following, and I've come across any new things so that I can share that information. It may be useful to the new automation engineers who are going to start their journey, or the functional uh, engineers who are aspect to move from functional to the automation side. That will be helpful. Okay, so this is my first objective. Whatever the stories will come from this particular objective, and the next is you have is empowering the workforce. Okay, so I have some industry experience, keeping that in view. So it is good to share my thoughts and my experience, so that I can guide, so I can mentor the newcomers who is entering into the information technology, especially into the software testing domain side. Okay, so I have already published a couple of stories around this one. So if you want, you can go through those stories. And the third one is it's basically around management and the strategies. So I have come across various large scale accounts deliveries. So keeping that experience in view, so keeping current trends as well, so that how we can strategize the new things, and how we can formulate the new challenges, so that we can meet the required objectives or required deliveries. So if I come across any new such things, then definitely I'm going to the publish those stories purely based out of my thoughts. That is, and fourth one is that I am keen on the trends that are happening. So the motive of keeping this one is keeping myself update on the current trends, and it is useful for my personal as well as the professional. And at the same time, confidently I can share my information to the new engineers that who are going to start their journey. Okay, so that is, out of this particular topic, basically it's not just giving this just information. I'm just going to in deep the particular technology, the particular the solution that the vendors are providing, and how that is being useful, and how that will be useful to the delivery that we are doing, the corporate assignments. Okay, so in this one, the trends that I the mostly um, keeping this one in the point of artificial intelligence that is currently on the market, and everyone is observing the evolution that is happening across all the industries, not only specific to the uh, testing domain side. So in this particular topic, so far, past 3 months, I have published a few, the co-pilots, which uh, technically use, day-to-day engineering activities. So part of that one, the topic that I'm going to, come across is AI agent, a kind of, advanced model, so that you can, go through that one. So that's all about my channel intro, and I just quickly walk through my blogging and my channel, so that you can correct to me whenever you feel it. Okay, so that is. So this is, you can give reverb medium.com. You can find this particular address in the my every video description, so you can find the useful. So far I have published uh, the co-pilots assistance that is happening in the API automation side, and web application side, that is purely I have covered the one vendor is the Tricities, and a few stories that I have come across on the accessibility testing side. So you can go through these things, and you'll find out some open source the technologies, and as well as empowering the workforce. So the stories that I have published over here. This is about my blogging platform, and very soon I'm going to launch my own website where you'll find all key digital products which I'm interested more, and I wanted to share. That is my upcoming plan in the next 2 quarters. And when coming to the YouTube, and yeah, you can give at reWire by automation youtube.com, and a few months back I have started this one, and in the coming quarters, and you will see a lot of updates in this particular from this particular channel. So it's not only one particular, there are a few my personal interests, that is photography side, and um, graphic design side, that I'm going to publish the short sessions, so that it will be useful to the forum. So this is about the my channel, and you can go through these videos whenever you get time. So that's all about intro, and I'll catch you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.